the counsel for respondent also identified and marked, if I'm not mistaken, the same video for over 2.5 hours. It can do so during its time to present its evidence in chief.
Correct.
The objection is overruled. Counsel is
Ano nangyari? Ang gusto ni depensa, ang gusto ni respondent, ipalabas yung buo 2 oras. Para daw hindi ano siya, para daw masiguro na hindi siya hindi siya edited or pinoposition lang for propaganda. Ang sabi naman ni Atty. Ligutan, ipapalabas sila ng buo, si witness ang magsasabi na itong parte yun yung pinag-uusapan natin. Pwede naman nilang erase yun as defense pag sila na. Sabi nila, mali interpretation dyan kasi meron pang prior, meron pang after, ganun.
Through sinasabi mong open broadcaster software OBS, and then you compared the contents of the recording and the subject video. That's one. And you also said that you investigated certain statements made by the Vice
Wala na to, tuloy-tuloy na to.
on November 23, 2024. Yung tanong, no? What particular statements of the Vice President did the NBI deem proper to investigate?
The statement of the Vice President where she uttered that she already talked to someone to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House if something's happened to her.
Okay, now, the next question now, Mr. Witness, is in what particular portion of
Yan.
the subject video, in what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, wait.
Ganda nung pagkakapos.
counsel to finish his
Not
question.
yet done. Relax. To kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House.
Objection, Your Honor.
What?
What is the objection of counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, no basis for the question, Your Honor.
Wow.
How?
Overruled. Witness may answer.
May
Overruled agad.
refer, sir, to my notes to identify the specific timestamp, sir.
Okay.
The
So,
witness may do so if it is available to him. You may refer to your notes.
Grabe, nag-object na walang sense.
While he's doing that, while the witness
Your Honor,
is
may
doing that, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Your Honor, may
presiding
I
order-
question what notes he is referring to?
Counsel for respondent, the
Apologies, Your Honor.
presiding officer recognized Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. You may proceed, sir.
Just some thoughts, presiding officer. This is not yet an
Keep your
appeal
thoughts to yourself.
ruling.
Wala yung
and
pake sa thoughts mo.
Counsel of the Defense. Just to refresh our memory, Rule 132, Section 17, when part of a transaction, writing, or record given in evidence, the remainder admissible. When part of our act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record is given in evidence by one party, the whole of the same subject may be inquired into by the other. And when a detached act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record is given in evidence, any act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record necessary to its understanding may also be given in
Salamat po
evidence.
sa super chat, Ate
So
Susan.
I'm not appealing yet. I see the logic of the ruling of the presiding officer. Ito lang po ang
Ate Joy
tanong
Lim,
ko.
salamat sa super chat.
Is
Naka-Rolex
the
nga.
defense going
Naka-presidential.
to ask later
Day-day.
on for the showing of the whole video? Because if they are, why don't we just watch the whole of it? Because we're going to have to assess the context. If it was really a threat, what did she say before or after? And I
Trabaho
don't
ng
really
defense
want to go
yan.
today believing one thing based on a 2-minute clip and then come back next week to watch the 2-hour clip. I think most of
Huwag
us,
ka mag-abogado para sa
of course, I
depensa.
don't also feel like watching the 2-hour, I don't even watch 2.5-hour movies, much less this. But I'm just putting this at the feet of the presiding officer and my colleagues na kung gagawin din naman natin eventually yung 2.5 hours, mas gusto ba natin putulin muna ngayon at may iniisip tayo and then later on the 2 hours? Or can the two parties agree of the 2.5 hours, which one yung may context. So I'm not criticizing the prosecution's motion. I see what you mean. May I ask that one question to the defense, or if they're going to ask, presiding
Huwag
officer?
ka mag-abogado, uy! Judge ka!
Presiding officer, we cannot dictate nor predict what either
Correct.
counsel for the prosecution or respondent will do during the presentation of their evidence in chief. Even if they say yes to us now,
Yes.
actually they have every right to change their mind and
Yes, I agree, Your Honor,
not do
but
so
that's,
anymore.
but if they do answer now that they want it shown, may we consider, I mean, if I'm the only one who wants to see it as a whole, then I will submit to everyone else. But if everyone else is saying we will eventually watch the whole of it, we might as well get it over and see the context of the whole video. Unless the two parties can agree that they only want to look at 30 minutes or 1 hour. I don't know what context they're talking about. I'm just trying to expedite,
Both
presiding
parties, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, marked the same video,
Yes. May I ask
which is over 2 hours.
may,
Now
may I
it is-
just ask the
Taga-Ateneo yan, guys. Ateneo Law School daw siya.
Counsel for Defense will please reply to the question of
Yes, Your
Senator Judge Cayetano.
First, Your Honor, precisely why we're asking to watch the video is because we don't know what the contents of that video is. We don't know if it's any different or the same with our video. And to answer the question of the Honorable Senator, yes, we will be asking the entire 2-hour, 26-minute video to be presented and watched later on during our cross.
So on that point, Mr. President and presiding officer, hindi naman nakalagay sa section 17 when. And usually, at least for myself, if I have to watch 30 minutes and then may emphasize na 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 1 minute, pinapanood mo na yung buo and then saka papanoorin yung maikli na ine-emphasize.
That's
Para wala
ridiculous. You're in open court.
una yung portions
Sorry,
na
impeachment
maliliit.
court.
And then saka mo lang sasabihin later on, eto pala context nito. Medyo umiiba. But again, no, I'm only one of the 24. So I leave it to my colleagues. If we're going to have to watch it anyway, may I ask the presiding officer what the pleasure is. But since the rule doesn't say, personally, I'd rather watch the whole thing and get it over with, then allow the prosecution to pick out the portions that quickly say, that goes into the center of the controversy or what they want to prove.
Without disagreeing with Senator Judge Cayetano, for the presiding officer, it's just that I don't think the court should impose or dictate upon either party how they will present their evidence in chief. Although it would save the court some time but we can also waste a lot of time arguing about this instead of
Yes.
watching the 2-minute video.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I'm not saying we dictate because there was an objection. You ruled. You can change your ruling or we can appeal. But I'm saying I'm just one. So if everyone agrees na portion muna, I will submit to that. But if everyone else thinks na panoorin na yung buo, then baka I can appeal your ruling without voting. So I'm just bringing up this issue for expediency, but I leave it up to what everyone else thinks about it.
You know, Your Honor, if I may, we also move for the reconsideration of the earlier ruling of the Honorable Court.
Council cannot move for the consideration of the ruling of the chair.
Tatawa din siya.
We manifest that we intend to present the whole during cross-examination, Your Honor.
Presiding officer declares a brief recess.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. So, can I go?
Shucks, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Oo. That's ridiculous. Ang gusto nilang gawin, again, mga kababayan, this is just delaying tactics lang to eh. Ayaw nilang ilabas yung the relevant portion ng video na yan. Kasi nga, it will be considered as part of the evidence. Oo. Kinikilig ako sa excitement, kape, ko while watching. Okay, salamat sa super chat. Oo. Ngayon, mga kababayan, Diyos ko naman, papanoorin ba yung 2 hours? Really? That's ridiculous. Pwede nga kung merong misinterpretation, halimbawa, sabihin na natin na may context. Oo. Yung context na yun yung depensa. Yun yung itatanong netong depensa. it's for them to ask the question doon sa witness. Para malaman talaga kung ano yung context. Pero para papanoorin mo ng 2 oras? Really? That's what they want? Hindi na nga kayo nag-offer ng ebidensya eh. Tapos gusto niya pa. Diba? I mean, ang weird eh. Ang weird well, diskarte nila yan. Bahala sila. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang gagawin lang ng depensa dyan is to discredit the evidence. Wala sila ibang gagawin dyan. Ayun na nga. Nangyari na nga. Ano yan, Avengers? Ano yan, parang Avengers? Avengers ba yung papanoorin ko? Ate Leticia Cortez, salamat sa inyo super chat. God bless. Diba? Tapos na nakakatawa mga kababayan. Etong si Alan Peter Cayetano, nag-abogado para sa depensa. Nag-abogado eh. Dapat shut up ka lang. Hintayin mong ilabas yung ebidensya sa'yo. Kaya nga may presiding officer eh. Si presiding officer ang mag-ano ng order dyan eh. Hindi, gets ko naman yun. Iba kasi yung sabi ni EI. We all know what the video is naman. Tama naman yun. Alam naman natin lahat yung video kung ano siya. Pero iba kasi kapag pinasok mo siya sa hearing. Pag pinasok mo siya sa trial, it becomes official. 'Di ba, Ate Criselda? Apare. Sakit uli ko sa'yo. Alan Petra. Nakakatawa eh. Oo. Defense lawyer pero hindi pinanood yung video before trial. Baka kasi umaasa lang sila doon sa defense na yun na yung defense nila is really panoorin yung buo. Baka yun lang ang meron kasi sila. We don't know. Di ba? Ayun. So yun lang, si Alan Peter biglang umepal. Oo. Dapat din niya ginagawa yun, ikaw yung judge eh. Tapos imamask niya, itatago niya yung kanyang bias sa mga salitang kung papayag yung majority, okay lang naman. Pero kung hindi, ako mas gusto ko panoorin yung 2 oras. Mas gusto ko yun. Oh, di ba? Dapat di siya naggagaganon. Judge siya eh. Kaya mo mga lawyers ang dumepensa at mag-accuse, di ba? Tapos wala pa diyan wala pa si Sara Duterte. Nakakainis. Nagpunta na ng Senate, lumayas pa. Oo. Alam mo talagang wala siyang intensyon na harapin yung kaso niya. Wala talaga, as in wala talaga. Actually, totoo lang, nakaka-disappoint yung ginagawa nila na yung ginugulo lang yung sistema. Ginugulo lang yung kwentuhan. 'Di ba? Buti ka hindi pa nakikisali diyan yung iba eh. Oo, mukhang masigasig si Cayetano. Actually, feeling ko wala nang choice si Cayetano kasi wala si Marcoleta. Kung nandiyan si Marcoleta, expect nyo siya nang siya yung aakyat. Siya nang siya yung tatayo. Expect nyo yun. Pero, alam naman natin, si Marcoleta, nasa nakakulong. Oo. Nakakulong na siya. So, wala talagang magagawa. Oo. Wala na. It is what it is. Wala na kasi si 2K. Correct. Buying time, sabi ni Joseph. Anong full name? Joseph Vista. Pero ang sure, nag-aabogado yung judge. Na nga. Hindi naman niya trabaho yun. Di ba? Hindi niya trabaho yun.